Welcome back, guys. It's Rocko here, and today we're going to talk about XRP, Swell and Ripple. So guys, if you are an XRP fan, I'm sure you're very excited about this Swell event. So at this event, people are talking about XRapids potentially being launching. Bill Clinton is talking about it. They're talking about some major, even more partnership and adoption going on, and they're talking about they might make some announcement that we didn't expect. And again, this is not just an important event for XRP; it's an important event for the whole crypto space. So people are really excited about it, and some people are getting carried away. Some people are talking about XRP going to $1, $10, XRP going to the moon. Yes, long term it can happen, but I don't know if just one event's going to go crazy. Again, we have seen crazy price increases and anything can happen. I'm not ruling anything out, but just be careful what happened. So two things I'll talk about is how do you trade this. So I will make a detailed video on my thoughts on Swell and how it can help or affect the XRP price and just the technological side of things. But today I'm going to talk about trading XRP during this XRP Ripple Swell. So usually I'll do my own analysis and I'll share with you my technical analysis and my thoughts. Today I'm going to share someone else's. This is a really good article, so I thought I'd share this with you. So event driven trading strategy 101. This is quite important to know, and one thing to keep in mind is buy the rumor, sell the news. So XRP has seen a massive price increase. XRP has gone up about 200%. XRP has gone up above 200% within days. So there was a thing about buy the rumor, sell the news. I didn't do that. I sold mine a lot earlier and I've missed out on some profits, but you could have done that. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So traders are using all sorts of technical analysis of XRP based on order books, level 2 quotes. This article talks about how we can increase the chance of profit taking. Although I do my own technical analysis, it's very important to learn from others, guys. We can always learn more. So first scenario this article looks at is upward breakout, and if there is an upward breakout, where we can go and see. And I've talked about this in my previous video, guys, where I've talked about imminent breakout. I talked about what happens if this goes up, and this guy's talking the same thing. If it breaks out and if it breaks that previous high, we could go to 90 to 95 cents and potentially $1 where there's more resistance. There's a breakdown, so market can break downside if there's no strong signal provided during this speech of Bill Clinton. So if Bill Clinton or in this event, if they don't talk about XRapids and give us some positive news, people could be selling off, and if they sell off, guys, we could go back to these levels. I mean, I'm not going to be that pessimistic. I think we could hit that 50 cents level and we can pull back, because we have, as you can see, guys, we've gone up 200%. We went up almost 2x, which is we're still far away from the moving averages, so we could consolidate back to, I think 618 level is a realistic, guys, because whenever we bounce from 618, so in the initial bounce we dropped and we bounced from the 618 level and we're bouncing off the 382 level, so we could potentially see 618 level again. That's just my thoughts, guys. And this guy's having a similar sort of analysis, but he's got potential breakdown to 270, and I think we could drop to that level only if Bitcoin drops. I'm not saying that it will drop to that level. The second scenario is Ripple announces launch of XRapids. Guys, I think I'll have to get rid of my charts if that happens. If that happens, we'll see some crazy bullish price movement, and hopefully we see that, because I know there's a lot of XRP fans on my channel. Ripple announces a significant partnership or partnerships. I've talked about that at the start of the video. If we see that, we'll see bullish movements again. And then finally it talks about no positive announcements, and if that happens, then there is a risk of a breakout to 50 cent level, which I showed in my chart before. And this guy's got that line as well around this level, the 6. I mean, he's showing it slightly differently, but that would be my prediction. So event-driven trading represents an excellent way to benefit from expanding unpredictability, yet the strategy isn't with no threats, and it is quite risky to trade. I've talked about buy the rumor, sell the news, and we have seen some selling movement, guys. We have seen there's been a bit of a sell-off, guys. I'll show you. I didn't play that trade. I potentially could have played that trade, but there has been some sell-off, as you can see, guys. which is not good to see. But when something goes up that much, we usually see some sort of a sell-off. After 2x, there was bound to be some sell-off, and we were just seeing that. And when things bounce off the 618 level, it usually began with 318. 318 is the next target, which is what it played out. So some essential dangers and constraints to consider include volatility. Talked about that whenever there's some big news. I mean, forex. Whenever there's some big news in forex, I didn't used to trade, which is volatility. Whipsaw. Some trading occasions may cause whipsaw price action that can trigger stop loss focuses before an exchanging postulation can emerge, which implies that merchants should keep stop misfortune focuses on allowing some unpredictability to happen. Great point. Many market moving events are very involved, which makes it hard to decipher the process data completely. For example, preliminary clinical outcomes might be difficult to interpret the right way as tremendous or terrible before value moves generously. So some very good points is made. With tremendous amount of hype of the Ripple Swell conference, there is an excellent opportunity for you to capitalize on increasing price action, but there are many risks and limitations. So if you're trading this, that was the update for you. If you are Ripple and XRP, you love it, and you're a long-term investor and hodler, I will make another video for you in the next couple of days, which I'll talk in detail about Swell and how it can affect XRP. But if you're just buying XRP, or you're hodling XRP from 2-3 years ago, guys, XRP price could soar following Ripple Swell event. If they launch X Rapids, if they talk about X Rapids and adoption or a partnership, XRP could move up massively, and then it won't be a short-term move, and it could be a longer-term move as well. And another thing is, in my previous analysis, I talked about when I think it was this video, I talked about the Ripple XRP bull run, and if you bought during then, you would have made some decent money. And during that moment, guys, during this XRP bull move, XRP was the coin that pulled the whole crypto market. Usually Bitcoin pulls the market above, Bitcoin goes up and it takes the market with it. In this time, guys, the previous time, XRP moved first and took Bitcoin with it. So this could be market changing, guys, and I think Ripple or XRP fans call the XRP the standard. Again, I'm a Bitcoin lover, I love Bitcoin, but XRP could help Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market start the potential bull run. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. We as early adopters need to talk about Ripple, XRP, blockchain and cryptocurrency to the world. So don't just share my videos and my thoughts. Talk to them about just cryptocurrency in general, guys, because we as early adopters got a huge opportunity, as we are still early adopters. Do not forget that. And XRP could go up, and the whole cryptocurrency market could go up massively, especially if you're in a good project, and it could make you a lot of money. Again, this is not financial advice, do your own research, but that's just my thoughts. Also, guys, I've been doing $100 giveaway before, but thank you very much for your support. I've hit over 2,000 now, and next time I do a giveaway, I'll be doing $250 XRP giveaway. So if you want to win $250 XRP, scroll down, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button, and leave your XRP addresses below. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments on what your thoughts on XRP price will be after this event, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.